What did LeBron James say to piss so many Boston people off? Massachusetts. I've been looking back at a few videos, especially the 2020 election, looking at some numbers and trying to figure this out. I didn't quite understand it. Check it out.
It's Boston fans crying foul over comments made by LeBron James in the latest episode of his show, The Shop.
In basketball, they're fans that you go play a way that they can literally take the game from you.
I mean, Boston.
Oh, Boston. Hey, let's look at Boston. Let's go around Boston around the election. This in 2020. Look at this, 71%. Right around Boston, 80-something% for Biden. It was a landslide. Biden won this state with ease. Look at these numbers. Wow. They talk about Texas, you know, real red state, Florida, but he didn't say anything about Texas. Check these numbers around Boston. 81%.
Yeah, why do you hate Boston? Because they racist. That's why.
LeBron James, it seems to me, was talking about his own personal experiences, which have value and which are important and which are believable.
He's not the first NBA player to allege racism among the city's sports fans. Last year, ex-Celtic Kyrie Irving called out subtle racism after a series of his own run-ins with Boston fans. The behavior of some Celtics fans were on full display earlier this summer when the Golden State Warriors complained during the NBA Finals.
We played in front of rude people before, dropping F-bombs with children in the crowd. Real classy. Good job, Boston.
Good job, Boston. But check this out. This is a new law passed in Massachusetts. It's going to go into effect on around July of 2023.
The ballot question 4 has passed. This means that the new law allowing immigrants in the country illegally to obtain state driver's licenses will be upheld. The new law is set to take effect July 1st, 2023. Massachusetts now joins 16 other states and the District of Columbia that have similar laws.
What you guys think? I would like to read some of the comments. Sometimes you got to go back and look at stuff 2-3 years ago and try to figure out what was really going on. But anyway, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel and have a great day.